Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make some crispy chicken legs, and for that we need some milk and chicken legs, of course, or wings or anything else that you want to use. You can add the chicken legs into the milk so that it will be totally soaked into the milk, and let them stay there for 20 or 30 minutes. Before that, before using them, all you can do now is adding some breadcrumbs into the plate, adding a little bit of flour to this mixture, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of kameli sumeli, a Georgian thing. Mix this properly. And all you will need to do now is taking chicken legs out of the milk and putting them into the mixture that you just made. Make sure that all of the parts of the chicken legs are properly covered, and even more, let them be totally covered with this mixture. It is very important for them to be crispy, really. And all you will need to do later is putting them into the oven and having them cooked under 250 or 300 degrees. And it will be nearly ready. You can taste it, and it is delicious. Good appetite!